Hello friends, in this session we will learn the pattern feature. How to use pattern feature in Creo. Patterning feature is an way to quickly duplicate features to create efficiency. Here you can create a set of patterns by patterning the original feature called a parent feature. Patterning is the quickest way to respond a feature in desired numbers, means the entire instant of the pattern is related parametrically. Therefore, any change in the original feature automatically update the actual pattern definition. Okay, means it may be easier or more effective to perform operation just once on the multiple feature contained in a pattern rather than on the individual feature. For example, suppressing a pattern or adding it to a layer. The pattern command allow you to pattern a single feature only. To pattern several feature, create a local group and then pattern it as whole. To create a pattern, we have lot of options in Creo. We will start with model. First, what I will do, I will select my working directory. Already I have selected. Uh, let's create one new part. I will name it pattern 01. Okay, and my template will be MMNS part solid ABS. I will select that one. Next, for our understanding, I will make one extrude feature. I am selecting top plane. Just make a normal to sketch, and then I am selecting rectangle. Just I will provide one dimension 600 by 300. Okay, just I extrude. I will make it 100. Okay, on this rectangle we will create different types of pattern for our understanding. Means in this tutorial you will get the deep knowledge in pattern feature. So what I will do, I will create one extrude feature. I am selecting circle here. Sorry, I will select it to center. I will provide diameter as okay 30 mm or less than that, 20 mm, and I will give the x direction from this surface to center as okay, it is 60 also more. I will provide 50. Okay, now this is our extrude feature, and now we will move with pattern feature. Just select extrude. You can select here or just select this feature here. In editing tool you will get the pattern option here, pattern, geometry pattern, pattern table. What I will do, just select this one. Here in the type you have a lot of options, and here setting first direction, second direction. First direction and second direction means uh, if suppose your direction is in x direction, so that will be your first direction means your part will pattern only in one direction. If suppose this is your x direction and you will provide your y direction here or that side, so if you select second direction, so your patterning also impress in other line, like with that first direction your second direction will create the same feature pattern. uh, yeah, uh, we will start with our dimension pattern. Okay, already it is selected. For dimensioning pattern, sorry, in the dimension pattern enable you to pattern feature linearly in given direction. It control the pattern by using driving dimension and specifying the incremental change to the instant. You can create this type of pattern both in single or two direction. Just what you need to do is just select the pattern from this type. You need to select dimension, and in the dashboard here select first direction. That is your incremental dimension. I will mention that is 50. Okay, and what I will do, I will create second direction. Okay, first we will go with the first direction. Here member, how much same feature you want, that is called member. If I provide 4, so 1 2 3 4, that will create 4 member of pattern. Okay, again I am creating second direction. For second direction, here what I will do, I will provide 100 sorry, 100. Let's see what we will get. And member, here also I will give 4 member. That is your second direction. Okay, here you got 100 in second direction. I will remove it. Again, to understand first and second direction, actually I have made it in center, so I am unable to select second direction. I will delete it and draw once again, so you will get the clear idea. Here I will extrude it. This I will give 25 mm. This one is 50 in opposite direction. Here it is 50. Okay, yeah, just I have extruded. Again, select this feature, go to pattern. This one is dimension. Select first direction. This is 50. I will enter member as 5. So 5 member you got. And second direction, I will select this one as a second direction, and member, now it is to see how second direction is selecting. You got my point. So I will enter it 3 member, so it will multiply with 3, 1 2 3, and your row wise it is same as the first direction pattern, means how many members you are adding. Yes, see, you got the directional pattern. So next we will move next type of pattern. This is the dimension pattern. Next is the direction pattern. So I will define this direction pattern. Direction pattern to add pattern member along one or two direction. Select uh, like to add a one or two direction. In the direction pattern, you can drag the placement handle in each direction, either to adjust the distance between pattern member or to flip the pattern toward the opposite direction. Okay, we will understand it by example. Again, what I will do, I will make a one extrude feature on that rectangle. Here I will provide 25 mm. Again, I will strong my distances, feature distances. Here it is, I will make 50. Here extrude. Now I have created one extrude feature. Again, I will move pattern feature. Now I am going with direction feature. Okay, in direction feature, you need to select the direction. See, so you can flip the direction here. So your patterning direction will get changed. You need to add the member. Here I will add 5 and you need to provide the spacing. Spacing will be 20 mm or 25 mm. See how the spacing get changing. So it is in, now it is in one direction. See, in dimension pattern you provided the values, but in uh, direction pattern just you need to provide the direction, means you need to select the surface or any edge of your part. So you will create the uh, direction pattern. So what I will do, I will add the another spacing like a direction. See here, again I will change my direction. So after means uh, hitting this button you can flip your direction. Here I will add the member 3. So member got added here. Again I will provide the spacing between the each feature, it will be 25. See, that's simple. Just the difference between dimension and direction is the, in dimension pattern you need to provide the dimension. In direction pattern you need to define the which direction you want to make the pattern. That's it. Now next, fill pattern. Again I will extrude normal to sketch. I will create one circle. Okay, then select this extrude feature, pattern, here fill feature. A fill pattern fills in the area of selected sketch feature by considering the sketch as outline. So in fill feature what you need to do, you need to provide the area, like it will be a circular area, it will be a rectangular area by sketching. Like here you need to select the reference and you need to go to sketch, you need to define your area. I am selecting this surface, sketch, make a sketch view. Here I am selecting circle. See, if you want to provide the spacing you can provide here. here it will, I will provide 25. This is the rotation. If you need to provide the angles, you can provide here border, borderline, see 5 mm. You will get all the spacing, borderline, your angle. If you want to provide the angle, you can provide 25. See how the patterning angle will get changing like that. You can provide the area by sketching, so it comes under the fill pattern. Another one pattern is there, so we will discuss this feature in another section, video section. uh, just now what I will do, sorry, here extrude, I will sketch. Now here, now we have completed dimension pattern, direction pattern, fill pattern, table pattern. In table pattern, here you will get the parametrically driven table. So we need to define the direction and whole size, vertical or x or y direction. So it is very like a important feature. So we will discuss it in another video. So here, in this pattern, you can create the different sizes of your extrude feature with patterning or giving the dimension in the table. So we will discuss it later. And okay, I will cancel this feature and I will move with curve. Here in curve feature, same, you need to define a curve sketch, like here reference, and in sketch you need to define, select the surface, go to sketch, sketch view, and I will draw one spline. Let's see what pattern we will get here. You can draw any other like a arc, circle, anything. If you want to make a pattern with that rectangular edge, you need to make a sketch. That's it. See how the pattern feature following the sketched curve. Same here, you need to provide the spacing or members. If you want to give the number of members, if you want to increase the member, you can increase it. Just your pattern will follow your given path. See, uh, curve pattern is ready. uh, yeah, I think you got the total. We went through the first one is the direction pattern, second one is the sorry, dimension pattern, first one, direction pattern, second one, third one, we made the fill pattern. After that, curve pattern, and another pattern is there. So for that we need to make okay, we will try this axis pattern and point pattern is there. First what I will do, I will create my datum point. I can activate my point display here. I will create for your knowledge, just I am creating this one, and here, okay, 2 point I have created. uh, I will create another extrude feature. Let's see whether it will work or not, and go to pattern and point. Just you need to select the point from datum, select this one, and select this one, or see, using the point feature also you can create the pattern. And what I will do, uh, extrude on the sketch, or backside I will create one cylinder. Make, go to normal, extrude, just I will create one circle, okay, and I will add one datum point at the center of the circle. This one I will provide 100. Let's see, axis is created on, yeah, we got one axis, and on that cylinder I will create one extrude cut. That will be a circular cut. Just I move it down, flip it, okay. Here you need to select this one. We'll go to pattern, select the axis. Here you can select axis. So see, here first direction is means how many member you want, just provide it, like now it is 4, I will provide 8 member, and angle, your angle will be 360 divided by how much member you need, like 8 divided by 8, like that. Your pattern will create here. See, number of holes you have created, like that axis pattern work. So I hope you got the brief knowledge about the pattern feature. Um, if you have any doubt or any comment, uh, just just give the message in my comment box, so I will try to solve uh, 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 your problem, okay. And thank you for watching my video. uh, just we have left table pattern, so I will create one video for that, and you will get the brief knowledge about table pattern also. uh, that's it, friends. Please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching my video.